outdoor living spaces really should have an outdoor cooking area of some sort. For us, we have a fairly large Napoleon grill with a side burner and drink cooler. Sitting right beside it is an antique whiskey barrel that we use as a tabletop for placing our pans and utensils. For us, this is perfect, and we actually wouldn't want it any bigger, at least not right now. Our neighbors, however, have a full outdoor kitchen with grill, oven, fridge, and cooler. For them, it's the perfect setup. What works for you will be very personal. Your cooking workflow will determine what you want and have to have. Built-in kitchens look really nice and provide a lot of usable counter space. In a big backyard, the kitchen area should be big enough to fill the space and provide enough food for all of your hungry guests